Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do conditional formatting using icons in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. I've already generated the table which consists of subcategories, sales, and profit. Now click on this sales, go in conditional formatting, activate the icons. So the format style is on the basis of rules or the field value. Activate the rules in apply to values and totals only. The summarization should it be on the basis of sum, average, minimum, so keep it sum only. Now icon, where the icon should be placed, its alignment, top, middle, bottom, and you can see here the range of styles which are available. Okay, now there is a rule, predefined rule, which it has picked up. If the value is greater than or equal to 0 percentage and less than 33 percentage, this symbol is to be used. Let's change this symbol to that the value is the down arrow is used. If the value is between 33 to 67%, we will use a circle. If the value is between 67 to 100%, we will use up arrow. Click OK. You can see now it displays the icon. Again, you can go to the sum of sales, conditional formatting, icons. The new the rules can be modified from here. That if you want to remove any rule, just cross it. And if you want to add any rule, activate this new rule, specify the percentage, and it is done. Uh, Now, if we pick up any other style, let's say again we'll go in sum of sales, conditional formatting, icons, and let's change the style from here and we'll pick up this style. So now the data is divided into 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80, and 80 to 100. Click OK. Let's pick up another one style, conditional formatting. Again, go in icons. And this time we'll pick up this bars. Click OK. Can you see this? So this is all about how to do conditional formatting using icons in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.